Hey guys, what's up? Today is my youngest son's birthday, and this is what I'm preparing for his birthday. I am still in my bonnet because I just dropped them off to school today, and the snow is like a pile outside, and it's very cold. Okay, let's start off with we had some extra potatoes. I'm just gonna make sweet potato fries. Yeah, just gonna cut this into fries like size. Okay, and then after this one we're gonna prepare the empanada, because he requested 3 recipe: empanada, spaghetti, and chicken tender, and then this one, the sweet potato fries. So I think that's 4. The sweet spaghetti, Filipino spaghetti. Here are the sweet potato fries, and then I'm gonna season this one later on, and I'm gonna go jump to the chicken empanada filling. Okay guys, just hang on there. Right, that's it. Just have to tuck in. So here's the first 4. Alrighty.
Go.
Okay, ready? Sing.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Brian. Okay, blow your candle up. Okay.